Hi, I want to tell you a little bit about my neighborhood. So I made this drawing, and you can see here's my house where I grew up, and some things that I did for fun at my house was I used to like to make movies as a kid. Once I made a movie with our family dog in it, and I loved to make a big bowl of popcorn and watch TV with my friends. Also, we had a park down here at the school, and me and my friends would play Spud, our favorite ball game, and pick blackberries, make them into all kinds of treats. So you're going to make your own map. You can use drawing, you can put pictures from your computer or the internet together to show what your neighborhood looks like. And just like I did with the ball or the blackberries or the camera or the popcorn, you can put pictures of things you like to do or things you see when you're in that place. So your map should have at least 2 places with some pictures that help us see that place that you like.